This is how to use the Ninja single serve specialty coffee maker. To get started, I'll go over the different features that are on this machine. Here, you can detach this. This is just adjustable so that depending on the height of the cup that you have, if you have a regular thermos like this, you can completely take it out. But today I'll demonstrate with a normal coffee cup. So they just click in like that. And then this is also removable so that you can clean there as needed. And then once you have it set up to the right height, just put your coffee cup here as well. On the back of the machine, it has a water tank. So you can fill it up, taking the lid off there, or you can just completely remove the tank like this and then take it over to your sink to fill it up. And then again, once it's full, it just clicks in very easily on the back base right there as well. Now to get started on how to actually use the machine, what you can do, opening it up, just using this to lift it up here. And then this one, I'm gonna use coffee grounds. It does give you the ability, if you have a pod, you can open this up, and this is an adapter for a pod if you wanna make pod coffee. To do that, just take that out and then put that up there instead. But that slides in nicely on the side here. Today, we are just gonna put our coffee grounds inside this filter. And the machine comes with a nice measuring cup that's located on the side right here that you can use and detach. It has a good guide on how many scoops based on how many ounces that you want to make. So I have my coffee grounds here. I'll just scoop some of them out and then add them, dumping them right into up here. Once you have all the coffee grounds inside the filter, go ahead and close this here. And then you can also close the top of the machine. Closing that will automatically turn the machine on. If it wasn't on, then you can just cycle it on by this power button. Here, we'll go over the different styles that you can cycle between. To do that, just click the style button. Go in between classic, rich, over ice, specialty. It just tells the machine what temperature you want the coffee to be brewed at to give you a different flavor profile. Here, you are able to select what size you want based on the ounces. So I'll do 10 ounce for today. And then down here, this is telling you if you're using coffee grounds or if it's a cup, it will automatically detect this and then you don't have to cycle anything there. So I'll get started and just select a brew. And then you can see rich, 10 ounce, and then this is the progress bar. As it brews the coffee, it'll move across that and tell you how much more until you're completely done. One other feature of this machine is this, which you can pull out here. And this is just a frother. So you push on that and it'll spin this motor right here. So you could take your cup and bring it over here if you have milk or cream, and it will froth for you. So as you can see, the coffee is starting to go, drip down here right now, but I'll let it brew. Let me know if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment and I'll get back to you.